Hello, everybody, and happy Friday. All right, so today we are still working with our greater than, less than, and equal to symbols. But every day I change the spinner just a little bit to challenge you a little bit more. This time I am going back to last week of thinking of when we added our multiples of 10, whether we added 10 or we added 20 or we added 30. That is what we're doing today, all right? So we have two steps. First, we have to add to find the number, and second, we have to compare them. Are you ready? If you don't have something to write with, go get it, all right? Pause this and go get it. All right, go. If you already have it, you're good to go. All right, so friends, math brains, put them on. Fantastic. All right, let's spin. Let's see what number we're working with. And we're going to talk this one out. 32 plus 10. 10. Wait, that's 110. 32. How many 10s are in 32? I'm just going to write this down here. You don't have to write it. Okay? 32. Next, we're thinking. This is what my brain is picturing. All right, so that way your brain can start to learn this too. 32. So I have 3 10s. If I add another 10, I know 3 10s plus one more 10 is 4. So that means it would be 42. Okay, so this is my number. So I'm going to write it up here. 42. Right, because 32 plus 10 more, right? I have 3 10s. I add another 10. It's a 4 10s. All right, so now we have 65 plus 10. If I have 65, how many 10s do I have? You're right, the 6. And I need to add one more 10. If I have 6 10s plus one more 10, I have 7 10s. And I still have my 5 1s because they didn't go anywhere. I just bumped my hand. So I'm going to write that up here, 75. All right, so make sure you write these numbers down. Now, you have to look at those 10s that you just added up to figure out which one the alligator wants to eat. So go ahead right now, underline the 10 so your eyes know right where to look. Good job. Which one does the alligator want to eat? Alligator eats the bigger number. Alligator eats the bigger number. So go ahead and draw your symbol. Show me. Yes, the alligator wants to eat the 7 because 7 is greater than 4. All right, but now we need to figure out what we want to say, right? How do we read this? This symbol is actually this one right here, the pointy side. When we read, we go this way. So what side do we come across first? The pointy side. So that means less than, because it's tiny, it's less. So let's read what we have. Ready? 42 is less than 75. Very nice job. That was a lot of math. First, we had to add what the wheel gave us, and then we had to compare both of them. Lots and lots of work. All right, so that's what it's going to look like for us today. Make sure you have plenty of paper, or you have your eraser for your dry erase board, right? Okay, because we are ready to go. Ready for your next one? We're really working on those 10s. Make sure you know exactly where the 10s are. Very, very important. 72 plus 10. 72. Right now, look at 72. What number is in the 10s place? Yeah, the 7, right? You guys should know where the 10s place is. Okay, we've been working on it a lot. If you're not sure, work on some extra practice, okay? Do some extra boom cards. right? Because it's very important. If you don't know that, you're not going to do a very good job. You're not going to understand this because you need to know where the tens place is. All right, so I have 7 tens, but I have to add a 10, because 72 plus 10. So if I have 7 tens plus 1 more 10, what do I have? Right, I have 8 tens. And then I still have my 2 ones. They're just hanging out. All right, so that's my first number, 82. All right, mathematicians, you ready for our next one? Ooh, 48 plus 30. We have 48, right, plus 30. How many tens is 30? Yeah, 3 tens, right? How many tens is 48? 4 tens. Okay. So how many tens do I have? I have 4 tens and 3 tens. Yep, 7 tens, and I still have my 8 ones. So my number is, nice job, 78. All right, now look at those tens, right? We just figured out that we have 8 tens over here and 7 tens over here. Draw your symbol. Nice work, right? The 8 is bigger, so the alligator wants to eat the 8. Nom, 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 nom. Excellent work. All right, now it is time to read what we have, right? Because we can draw it, but if we don't know what it means, what is the point, right? So it's very important. We know that when it's biggest, when the biggest part comes first, we know it's greater than. And when the point comes first, it's less than. So which one comes first this way? The bigger one, so it's greater than. All right, math readers, let's go. 82 is greater than 78. Very nice work. Let's do it again. All right, erase what you have or find another spot on the page. We are getting ready to ride again on the math wheel. Woo! 61 plus 30. Where am I? Okay, so we have 61 plus 30. How many tens is 30? 10, 20, 30. Yeah, that's why there's a 3 there, right? How many tens is there? 60? 6. See, you're going to be ending up adding like this by the end of the year. I'm just going to introduce it a little bit. So if we have 6 tens plus 3 tens, how many tens do we have? 9 tens, right? I didn't mess with my 1, so how many 1s do I still have? 1. So that is my number. Write it down. 91. Nice job. Spin, riding the spinning wheel, right? We got it. You ready? What are our numbers? Yes, we have 48. Look at those 10s and 1s. What do we add now? A 30. All right, we look at the 10s place. I know, Penny. She's telling me what to do next. What are my 2 numbers in my 10s place? I have a 4 and I have a 3. Okay, so we want to add them together because it says plus over here. So 4 plus 3. 4 tens plus 3 tens is 7. 7 tens. Nice job. And how many 1s do we still have? 8, because we did not change the 8s. All right, so that's our number. 91 and 78. Go ahead and put your symbol down and show me. Wow, that was fast. I saw you guys write that because I know the 9 is bigger than the 7. So the alligator wants to eat that number. So do you know how to read it? All right, challenge accepted. Let's go. Ready? 91 is greater than 78. Nice job, because we get to the bigger part first. So it's greater than. 91 is greater than 78. All right, one more before I go over the exit ticket, and you can do your boom card, your exit ticket, and all that jazz. You ever heard that saying before, all that jazz? All right. So we're ready to spin. Figure out what we have to do. You see it? Can you read it to me? What's it say? 72 plus 10. I'm lining up the numbers right underneath each other. Okay. So how many 10s do I have? Yeah, I've got 8 10s, and I still have 2. Okay, so that's my number. I have 7 10s plus one more 10 is a 2. Let's see what's next. I don't know how that one got in there. 70 plus 20. Ooh, so we have 70. Let me mix it up and do this one. 70 and 20, which means, oh my goodness. I have 7 10s plus 2 10s. Write the number down. Nice work. It is 90 because we have 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. There we go. My fingers didn't want to work that way. All right, so we have 82 and 90. What symbols are you going to write? Write it down, then show me. I'm so proud of you guys. Which one is bigger? Absolutely, right? Because you looked at the 8 and you looked at the 9. And we know that alligator eats the bigger number. Nice work. All right, so remember, we read from this side and we go this way. So what side of the symbol are we going to get to first? The smaller pointy side, right? So what does that say? All right, let's read it. Ready? 82 is less than 90. Very nice job. All right. So your exit ticket is just drawing the symbols again. I just added that 2 10s or 20 or 30 just to keep our brains fresh, because guess what? You guys have a test next week. You do. All right, and that's going to be on there, adding our 10s. Okay, so number 1, use symbols. Right, here are the symbols to compare 78 and 77. Look closely. And then, Tom drew 91 circles. Kayla drew 82 circles. Use the symbols to compare the number of circles each child drew. So they give you the numbers. You just have to write the numbers and the symbol. That's it. This is in your packet. If you look, it Friday 4/23, lesson 14. It's labeled, it's ready, it's for today. All right, friends, you can work on your boom card, right? It's all about comparing the numbers. Absolutely, 10s and 1s, and which one the alligator wants to eat. Yep, it's all there. And then you have those 2 simple questions on your exit ticket, right? Make sure you do it in your packet. And for those, there's only like 2 people that don't have a packet, you do it on Kami. Everybody else should give me a picture of their packet. All right, it's very important to be able to do your math on paper and show me what your work is. All right, I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Kiss your brains because they're doing so well with this. And I will see you on Monday. Love you guys. Bye.